All right, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of The Open. I am your host, Esco the Trader. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful Tuesday morning. So, yesterday afternoon, right before the bell, the market sold off yet again. I had to look at the calendar because I was like, man, I just seen this happen. Is it Friday or is it Monday? The market literally repeated the same thing it did on Friday, and I anticipated it. I saw it about to happen. And with the market sitting right now just on top of a demand zone, it's going to be interesting to see how the market reacts this morning. On my watch list, I'm looking at three stocks I'm looking to play to the downside. I have Chewy in the upper left hand corner. Also have Facebook in the upper right hand corner. Lower right hand corner, I have Pfizer, being that they failed earnings this morning. And to the lower left, I have CVS, but I'm actually playing them to the upside. They're at all-time high right now. And I'm anticipating a good, strong continuation from yesterday today. So, it's probably going to be a very short morning, as these are the main stocks that I'm watching. A very short list this morning. I also had Pinduoduo on here, but I decided to put Facebook on here because I think Facebook has more potential for the downside, especially being that they have news right now about one of their board members stepping down and deciding to pursue a career in politics and join Trump's political agenda, which should be interesting. So, got a little gap down this morning. I would think that actually would have been good news for the conservatives, but unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's good news for the company. So let's see. Let's see how the market opens today. Market's about to open. Let's go from here.
Hey.
All right, Pfizer.
Hey.
Let's see if we can get a rejection here. Facebook is immediately pulling down. All right, we just missed a quick rejection on Chewy. Here.
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna pull up on Facebook. Pfizer here. Let's see, we're gonna break this. Alright, here goes Facebook coming down pretty hard. I'm gonna go ahead and get in right here. Chewy completely bailed out. Let's see if we get a pullback on Chewy. We didn't get our orders filled on Facebook. Why are we not getting our orders filled? Are we going to start that this morning?
Hey.
Alright, CVS. See if we get a pullback here. Chewy is just, man. If we can get a pullback on Chewy, I want to be able to get in there. Alright, looking to get in Pfizer right here. 573. Put the order in. I don't know if we're going to get filled. Alright, SPY Qs are going up to the 200. Look like they're about to get rejected. Let's pay close attention to see what happens to the market here. I'm not getting filled on my Pfizer. I'm not getting filled on Pfizer. Why is that? Wow, not getting filled on Pfizer. Okay, they just went ahead and filled us. Alright, looking at this Chewy pullback. Alright, SPY and Qs are ripping. Alright, looking at Chewy here. See if we can get a rejection off the 9, take it back down. Right up here in this upper left hand corner. I'm looking for a pullback on Chewy. Alright, Pfizer's definitely going our way.
Hey.
Alright, Chewy look like it's starting to pull up. Alright, we're getting a rejection here. Alright, we're in Chewy. Alright, Facebook look like it's starting to come back down. Alright, let's see. CVS is taking off. It's taking off without us. It's already on the second candle. Wait, I'm still in the first 2-minute candle? No, this is 5-minute candle. Okay. So we did not have the right candle on CVS.
Hey.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and add on Pfizer because I really believe Pfizer is gonna end up coming back down. I'm not getting filled. On Pfizer. My order's just sitting out there. Alright, there we go. Got double filled. Alright, let's wait for a pullback on CVS. I believe I had the 110s on that. Alright, the SPY and Q is coming back down into demand. Alright, we're getting a pullback here on CVS. Alright, we're adding again on Facebook. SPY and Qs are coming down pretty hard. They're coming pretty hard. They're sitting in demand though, so they have about halfway more to go. If they flush this, then we can see a flush down to 443. Alright, the SPY looks like it's starting to bounce a little bit here. Alright, Pfizer is now in our rejection zone. I need a close up here for Chewy. If I can get a close above this candle, I'll be ready to get in.
Hey.
Alright, let's just wait to see if we get a rejection here on Pfizer. Alright, it looks like we're looking pretty good on CVS. I just want to close on this candle before I decide to get in. We're getting a rejection there. We need to close above this yellow line.
Hey.
Alright, there's our rejection on Pfizer. Come on, get us in.
Hey.
Alright, that was a nasty rejection on CVS. We could probably get in CVS down here. I'll start a small position here. Alright, we're just getting in CVS here. I'll add more if we get down to the white line. Alright, so now we just sit back and wait and see. Here comes Pfizer coming down. CVS, hopefully it can hold here. If Facebook closes above that white line, we're going to have to get out.
Hey.
Alright, we're getting a little pop here on CVS. Let's see if we can make it back up to that yellow line. Alright, it looks like we're going to have to get out of Facebook. Alright, let's see. We got about 20 seconds left on this candle. We need Facebook back down below that yellow line. SPY and Qs are ripping right now. Alright, we're gonna get out of Facebook. I don't think Facebook is coming back down. Yeah, it's showing a lot of strength right now. Alright, here goes CVS. Alright, the SPY and Qs. Well, the SPY is rejecting at the 200. The Qs is above it. Facebook is not showing weakness right now. Yeah, they are fighting with this one. They are fighting. Alright, looks like we can probably add. We had a big order at 46 on Chewy. We'll let it go up a little bit more. And then we'll add to our size and bring it back down. Alright, SPY's ripping right now. Let's see if Facebook is going to go with it. Alright, CVS, we're getting a little pop here. Pfizer, we're getting a pullback in the lower right hand corner. Alright, we gotta get out. We gotta get out of Facebook. Trying to wait for this candle to close. We got 30 seconds left. Alright, Chewy. We're gonna go ahead and add the Chewy right there. Alright, 15. Alright, there goes Facebook. We're gonna get out half our position there. Alright, now it's coming back down. Alright, let's see. See if we can get it to come back down. There we go. Now it's coming down. Alright, we're seeing a lot of strength right now on Facebook. Alright, we'll get out of Facebook. We'll look to get back in if we get another rejection. We put the order out there, it's just not getting filled. Alright, we're out of Facebook right now. Alright, our CVS position right now is just kind of holding. It's not really going up. We need it back here by this yellow line so we can get out. Right now we're down on two trades. We're down on our Chewy and we're down on Facebook. Pfizer is still holding. We added. Alright, looking to possibly get back in Facebook. If we can get a close under this yellow line. SPY and Q. Well, the SPY keeps rejecting off the 200. The Q's is not. The Q's are actually ripping this morning. It's all about the blue and white lines. Alright, here comes Pfizer again. See if we can get a close on Facebook. Facebook is showing a lot of strength. Alright, we're getting a lot of rejections up here on Facebook. Alright, looks like CVS is definitely on its way. Alright, here comes Pfizer coming back down. We're not getting filled on our Facebook puts. Why are we not getting filled? Oh man, I got two orders sitting out here. Why do I have two orders? Alright. Third ad right there on Chewy. All right, CVS is looking good right here. We only have 4 contracts with that. Here comes Facebook coming down. Chewy coming down. Pfizer coming down. The SPY's coming back down into demand. Alrighty. Did we get filled on that Facebook? No, we did not. Man. What is going on? We're not getting filled. Alright, CVS looks good. Keeps getting rejected here though. Let's trim half hour. Let's trim 3/4. I'm gonna trim 3/4 on CVS. See if we can get filled here. We'll hold a runner if we can break above this yellow line. For some reason we're not getting filled on anything right now. Alright, Facebook is gone, so we're not gonna chase it. CVS is not filling our order. We just have an order sitting out there to sell 3. Alright, so Facebook is done. We're not looking at Facebook anymore. Ah, man. That was disappointing. I guess all news ain't good news. It looks like Ford and GM both came down this morning. IBM, wow, definitely took a fall. Kellogg's came down. They're in demand right now. Trying to see where Peloton is. Peloton was another one that I was looking at. Alright, the SPY is just trading in a range right now, so all we can do is just sit back and just wait and see what it's gonna do. Alright, Peloton must be going up because I definitely do not see them on here. Ah, that's why. Okay. Alright, they're getting a pop here. They have earnings this afternoon, so usually most stocks get a quick little pump before earnings. Alright, so I imagine our CVS did not get filled because we would have heard it by now. Nope, we did not get filled. We did not get filled. At this point, we could try to get, let me see if we can sell and get out of here at this point before it starts to pull back. It's not doing anything for us right now. Alright, Chewy is making its way back down. We're not getting our orders filled at all. Chewy up here, making its way back down. We need to get back down to this green line if we can. If we can make it back down to this green line, we should be good. We're not getting any of our orders filled right now. We're not getting any. Oh, wow, there we go. Alright, so we got 3 out. We'll hold 1 and see where that last one's going to take us. We're getting a pop here at VWAP on Chewy. We need that to come back down. I think Pfizer is probably going to be our second half morning. I think this is going to end up coming back down probably closer to 10 o'clock. So we're going to stay in this because I believe Pfizer is going to come down. This could probably just be the shorts that are covering right here. Peloton looks real good though. Alright, yeah, SPY and Qs are in this range. They're literally between 447 and 446.50. That 200 is preventing the SPY from going any higher. Alright, here comes Pfizer. Let's see what the orders look like on Pfizer. There's some buying, but I see more sellers on the selling side than I see buyers. I mean, you have like one or two, maybe three big orders for the buyers, but the seller side is stacked right
Hey.
now. Like, we have a lot of sellers trying to get rid of this stock. I'm just not seeing a lot of selling pressure right now. But we need Pfizer back down here and close to the $50 range. Right now we have a triple position in here, and we need this to be down here in order for us to exit with a profit. So at this point we're just gonna have to wait. Like the SPY Qs are starting to go back up. If we get a close up here above 30, what is it? 32.75. 32.65. We get a close up here, which it looks like we're probably going to get that. Peloton would actually look good to the upside. Alright, we still have one contract here on CVS. Chewy's just taking a sweet time, making his way back down here. And Pfizer, we just need a nice good flush. If we get a candle like this, coming straight down here to about 50, 12, 50, 15, we should be in good shape. Alright, our runner's looking really good over here on CVS. Let's see if we can make it to the next pivot at 10:30. What is this, 10:25? Yeah, 10:23. Let's see if we can. Alright, let's see if we can make it up there. That'll be our finish line. We don't need to be greedy. Alright, we got 8 seconds on this candle close for Peloton. Yeah, Peloton's looking really strong this morning. A lot of volume. See if we can get a pullback back down to this pivot, and then we can probably get in for a continuation. Let's see where we at. Facebook. Let's get Facebook out of here and get Peloton. Some 33s, 33 and a halves. Yeah, 33 and a halves look good. Alright, so we can get 5. There we go. We getting a retest. SPY Q pulling down. Chewy, finally. Let's go. Alright, Peloton. See if we get a retest right here. Pfizer taking a sweet time coming down. You know what? Let's go in half size on whoa. Alright, I'm gonna get in 3 right there with Peloton. Let's see if we can get filled. There we go. We're in Peloton right now at 32.77. SPY is at the bottom of the band now. Alright, this could be tricky. It's at the bottom. If it breaks this and comes out the other side, the market can come down with it. So let's see if we get a pop. Alright, I'll probably add. Let me see. I think I got in with 3. I'll add 2 more. Let's see. There we go. Right there. See if we get filled. Oh my god. We get filled halfway up. I was hoping to have gotten filled at the bottom so we could have gotten all that right there. Oh man. Alright, so this was a quick scalp. So I'm looking to get out of P-Town, like get a little bit higher. We could look to get out. This should be about 10%. Alright, put my order to sell. Alright, that's out. So we got about 10% on P-Town. That was a nice quick scalp. Chewy, we need that coming down. Pfizer, we need that coming down. It looked like it was starting to make its way down, and then it just... Yeah. Alright, here we go. Here we go with Chewy. If we can get back down to 45, we should be good. Alright, let's see. I'm watching the SPY to see if it ends up coming back down again. Alright, the Qs are starting to come down. Let's see if the SPY comes down with it. Alright, it's 9:52. Second half play should be getting ready to set up in a little bit. Qs are sitting on the 50. I need to. Okay, there we go. We're getting a pull down. All right, let's see if Chewy can get yanked down. Let's see if Pfizer can get yanked down. Quick bounce right here on the SPY. Quick bounce. Pfizer is showing a lot more strength than I anticipated, being that they just failed earnings. I mean, they literally just collapsed, came straight down, a little bit of a pullback, and a quick flush, and now they're kind of trading within this range. I would have anticipated at least a flush down below 50 with them failing earnings, but I don't know. We have some big sellers up here. Big sellers. All right, Chewy, we're almost there. We're almost there. There we go. Come on down, Chewy. All right, we have a triple position size with Chewy, so we should have about 30 contracts. In fact, I can actually put 10 out there. I'll put 10 out there right now. I'll hold the next 20. See if we can get at 45, or if not a little bit below. There we go. Come on, Pfizer. That's what we need. I just don't understand why it keeps bouncing back up. There's not. I mean, we have some. Yeah, we do have some buyers. Man, we have some buyers down here in this 50-50 area. We need them to get cleared out of here. All right, let's see if Chewy's going to decide to give us that 45. Come down about another 15 cents. Starting to bounce here. Damn. Just the thing about these slow moving stocks, when the indices are flushing and they just kind of sit idle, you have to be very careful, because when the indices start to pop, they can literally pop from where they're sitting. And being that they didn't come down, the contracts are kind of working against you. Time is working against you, and then the fact that it's not moving is working against you. If we could get a good red candle coming down into this 50-50 range, we should be good on Pfizer. Here come the Qs in the SPY coming back down into demand for like the 6th time this morning. Pfizer's just sitting here at 50.61. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. There we go. Selling that first order. Hit it again. Hit it again. Hit it again. Boom. Second order. Got our last order right here. Are we going to go below? We're at 50.50. Are we going to go below? Give us a little more. Damn, I thought we were going to get a little more. Let's get out of our last Chewy. Not Chewy. Where are we at? CVS. We have one more CVS. Yeah. It's coming back down. Let's get out of that. Let's get out of that. Let's see if it's going to fill our order. Oh, Pfizer. Boom. 50.43. Let's see if it's going to fill us. Come on. Get us out of that. Get us out. Damn. Let's see if we can get out right here. All right, we're out. We're completely out of Pfizer. We're up on Pfizer. If we can just get Chewy to come down so we can clear this last order, we can end up being a decent green. That Facebook really brought us down this morning. We took a big hit on Facebook, and the fact that we added and it kept going against us. I mean, we only had 8 contracts. It's a good thing I didn't go in heavier, because I wanted to go in 10, but that brought us down tremendously. And that move here on CVS definitely helped us, and then Pfizer definitely helped us and put us up. But we're rating right now on Chewy because we're like barely up right now, and the fact that it keeps going against us is not really helping us out. If it can, now we need it to come down below 45. We need it to come down to maybe 44.90. If we can get 44.75, that would be great. CVS, our order still didn't get filled. It's just sitting out there. I guess we're just going to have to wait on that now. Alright, well, in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and write in our journal the trades that we took today. We're going to get those documented, and we're just waiting on Chewy to decide what he wants to do. Alright, so 8 trades today. So far, we are 3 up, 1 down. Alright, here comes Chewy. Let's go, Chewy. Stop playing. Alright, finally, here we go. Now we need it to come down lower so we can get out for a decent gain. Alright, looks like we're starting to break that. We're at 45. We just need a good 20 cents. If we can get 20 cents on that Chewy right now, on this candle, that would definitely help us out. Nice long red candle, and we can be green. There we go. 3 cents. I'll settle for 15. We can get 15, that'd be good. I'm starting to bounce back. I was going to say, if we could take 15, I would have been happy with that. Alright, SPY and Q's just in this tight. They're in a very tight range this morning. They're sitting right above the demand zone. I think they're trying to get all those orders out of there. They're trying to get those orders out of there. Alright, if we can get CVS back above that yellow line, I'll be willing to sell my last contract. Alright, here come the Qs. Qs are coming down hard. Qs are coming down hard. They're coming down lower than they did the first 7 times. Here comes Chewy at 98. Let's see how low we can go, Chewy. There we go, 93. Can we get down to 90? Can we get down to 90? 91. Alright, let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy. We're putting the order in. Let's see if we get... Ooh, 88. Nice. Oh my God. What in the hell, man? Oh my God. Oh, nice. Come on, Chewy. Are we going to get out? It's not filling us. It's just not... It's not... Alright, we're getting out of CVS right here. I think the market is going to start to come down. We're not getting our orders filled, folks. We're just not getting them filled. There we go. Which one was that? CVS sold. We need this Chewy. We need this Chewy. We're just going to sell market. We just need to get out of that. Hopefully we didn't take too much of a hit because it was going in our favor. And that's it. Alright, so the SPY poked his head out from the bottom of the demand zone. We did 3 for 1 today. Our losing trade was on Facebook. Facebook brought our account down tremendously. We're able to recover with the CVS and the Pfizer. The Chewy just put us over the top, so we're able to finish the day green.
Hey.
It is now 10:01, and we are done trading for the day. The Qs are flushing. Wow. The Qs are flushing hard. Alright, so we know the next demand for the SPY is 443. Let me go ahead and pull it up so you guys can see. Look at the SPY. Broke through demand on its way down. The next demand is down here at 443. Right here. Is that the target? Is that where they're looking to go? Because if it is, we can go ahead and place some puts right now. Let's get some put contracts ready. Oops. There we go. 444. I'm going to go ahead and load these 444s because if this thing is going to go, it's going to go. Alright, we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation. If I see the Qs breaking and coming back, yep, there they go. Alright, we're in some SPY puts right now. We got in at 445.40. We'll add more. When you have a high conviction, you add and you keep adding. If it pulls back, we'll add again. They're targeting this zone. This is where they're trying to come down to. Alright, let's pull this down. Let's see. Let's give them a little bit of room. Alright. We are going to add again. If they pull back up, we're adding again. They can go back up to 445, 446 for all I care. Go ahead and pull back. We'll add again. Alright, watching the Qs right here. Qs is pulling back a little bit. We'll add again. Don't make us do it. We'll add again. Let's go. Do we get filled? Man, this broker is like terrible. No, it's not adding again. Alright, let's cancel that. Alright, SPY's pulling back. That's alright. You're just giving us more height. Alright, we're adding again. We're adding again. Yo, Thinkorswim is about to get fired. Thinkorswim is about to get fired, man. Man, we are missing this move. Godly, what is going on? We are not getting filled. I don't want to have to market order in, but it looks like this is probably going to have to be a button I'm going to have to add because we can't be missing out on opportunities like this. It's gonna, I bet you it's gonna add us when we're like way the hell back up here. Alright, new candle in 45 seconds. Qs are looking very weak, man. SPY's looking stronger. SPY's looking stronger, but the Q... Cannot believe we're not getting filled, man. Golly, we're not getting filled. There we go. Alright, now we're just going to wait. Goes back up to 46. We'll add again. We'll add again. We'll just add again. It's at 445.93, 94, 95. We'll add again at 46. Go ahead. Go back up to 46. We'll add again. We'll add again. Let's get in. Let's get in. Is it going to get us in? Pre-market low retest. Nasty. That was a nasty bounce. We'll add again. Man, if we could just get our ads. Man, come on. Let's try to add again. Let's cancel this and we'll add again. Alright, let's wait. We're at 446.37. That was a nasty bounce though. We're actually down now. We'll add again though. We'll add again. Let's add right there. There we go. Now we're in triple the size. Go ahead, SPY. Go ahead and take a crap now. Do us that favor. Alright, let's just be patient now. It's all about being patient and just letting the plays play out. This was some incredible price action we're seeing this morning on the SPY and Qs. We're just waiting for the SPY to come back down now. We are in triple size. If the SPY even thinks about coming back down to 445.50, it's payday. It is absolute payday. And today is Tuesday, so we don't have the contracts working against us as fast as they would have if it was yesterday or if it's tomorrow for 0 DTE. So right now we're just hanging in there, just being patient, waiting to see what the SPY and Qs are doing. SPY's looking strong, Qs are looking weak. Q is tech. Q is tech. It's rejecting off the 9. Let's see. SPY's holding. Q looks like it just wants to let go and just go to the floor, but the SPY is like holding it up. Just picture somebody hanging off a cliff and they have their arm extended down and they're holding the next person up. That's pretty much the SPY and Qs right now. Qs look like it just wants to go. It just wants to drop. SPY is just not letting it go. Qs are at 353, just under 353.50. Now they're starting to range down here. SPY is starting to come down. Alright. We're down about 15%. About 13. About 13. Alright, looks like the Qs are starting to bounce here a little bit. SPY is holding up the Qs right now. Alright, we're down 17. Alright, Qs are starting to bounce here. Actually, SPY is bouncing, pulling the Qs up. The Qs just look weak. They look like they just want to let go. Alright, we're down 18%. Alright, so we're looking at the chart. We got two long wicks on the bottom on the 1530, and the 1 hour is just a doji right now. A bullish doji at that. Alright, let's see. We have some rising volume coming in on the SPY. Not on the Qs though, just on the SPY. Rising volume, which is not good for us, but we're just going to stay patient and we're just going to see what happens. SPY is starting to come up. SPY is starting to reject off the 21, but they're getting, yeah, it's got rising volume. This looks like a reversal. Qs just look like it just literally just wants to let go. It's as if the Qs is taking the SPY's hand and it's just like, let me go, and the SPY's holding it up. No, I'm not gonna let you go. Yeah, there we go. This is what we have. We have another demand zone down here. This is where I felt it was going to target to come back down here, because there's more orders down here to be filled. And I think even below that, I think there's another demand zone. Since the market rebounded, it's been creating demand zones on the way up. When it tanks, it creates supply zones on the way down. All right, we're getting a lot of strength. We got some rising volume right here on the SPY, but I do not want to let these positions go yet. I do not want to let it go because I have a feeling the minute we do, it's going to reverse and it's going to come right back down. All right, we're getting a rejection at 21. Q's rejecting also at the 9. Q's starting to come down again. SPY's just sitting still. All right, Q's look like they're letting go. All right, here come the Q's. SPY's taking the sweet time coming down behind it. There we go. Q's, that was a nasty, nasty wick. Matter of fact, I'm going to pull it up so you guys can see. Look at this wick. Look at the size of this candle. Look at this versus this little baby one here on the SPY. SPY is sitting right now at support, which is kind of hurting us. We need it to break. There we go. Break that support. Q's is almost right back down. There we go. Come on back down. All right, we're down now 10%. I want to add again. If the Qs come down to the low again, I'm going to add another position. I'm going to add again because I just have a feeling they're going to target this lower demand level. All right. Let's just watch it. This will be our fourth position size. Yeah, the SPY, as you can see, the SPY is stronger. The Qs is weak, but the SPY is stronger, and it's just literally causing the Qs, or it's preventing the Qs from flushing. Look how it's just pulling up the Qs, man. All right, we're getting a bounce here. Come on, Qs, open lower. Oh man, we're getting a bounce here from the Qs. Now we're getting a big, huge bounce from the Qs. See if we get another rejection. Oh wow, that was nasty. Yeah, this is some insane price action today. It's like the market doesn't know what direction it wants to go in. It looks like it's just trying to shake people out. You know, trap the bears down here. Now it looked like it tried to trap the bulls. This kind of up, down, up, down, up, down thing here. This is the kind of thing that eats away at your contracts if you just hold them long enough. Wish we could have caught this move right here. This was incredible. This was 646. Yeah, this is a $1.10 move. All right, if SPY reclaims the VWAP and closes above, we're gonna have to get out for a loss. We'll be down about 20%, which is gonna suck because we're gonna actually break even for the day. Yeah, we gotta get out. All right, we're out. All right, we're out. We are actually out. We're actually down $76 for the day. We were up with that Chewy play, and we lost it with the SPY. Oh, man. It was a green day. It was a green day. We were done at 10 o'clock, but we just saw that, and we just thought, man, this is going to continue to go. But it's all good, though. It's all good. We're down 76. So at this point, we're really done for the day. We're just going to see if there's anything else going on. If the Qs start to reject here, we could probably look to get in. Let's see these contracts. 445, 446. Probably 445s. We'll change it to 445s. Let's see if we can at least end the day green. Alright, we're just going to watch it here and see if we get some confirmation that we're going to have some more continuation to the downside. We didn't close above the VWAP on that. We got rejected. So, let's see. Alright, so the market really isn't giving us a direction as far as which way they want to go. I wonder if we're going to start trading in the zone again. Now, if we reclaim VWAP, I would be looking at taking calls up to about 447, 447.30. It'll be about an 80-cent move up. Matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to load some SPY calls and have those ready. And then we'll just wait for the market to tell us what direction they want to go in, and then we'll just go from there. Because it looks like they want to continue to go up. We just need to close above VWAP and we should be good. Wow, look at that. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. We have about 50 seconds left on this candle, but we need it to close above. Look at that bounce. That was incredible right there. Wow, look at that bounce. Damn, it's about to hit our target before we even get a chance to get in the trade. That was our target right there. Damn, that was nasty. That was a nasty. Alright, so we're watching SPY calls right here, 447s. We're just going to watch it right here and see what it does. Candle's closing in 2 seconds. See if we can get a pullback, and then we can get in on some calls. There we go. Let's get a little bit of a pullback. It's rejecting here at the 200. See if we can come down a little bit more. I like to get in closer to VWAP. That would give us a little bit more support in case it decides to go a little bit lower. I don't want to get in way up here. I'll get in down here and then ride it back up here. We have about 32. It's about a 50-cent move. We can actually go in heavy and try to ride it back up. If it breaks above it, then end the trade, end the day. We end the day negative $75, and we just keep it moving. All right, looks like the Qs are trying to retest this 200. Now, if we close above the 200, our next target will be 355.25. All right, there goes the Qs. All right, it's rejecting here at 2. All right, let's see if we can get in at VWAP. Come on down to VWAP. Come on down. Come on down. Now, yesterday when we rejected at the 200, we flushed. We just went right back down. Let's see if it's going to happen today. I'm just looking at the selling pressure on the SPY right now. See if we have rising volume. We actually do. That's not good. That is not good. That is not good. A lot of rejections. A lot of rejections on the 200, the white line. A lot of rejections. I like the fact that we're above the VWAP. I don't want to take puts on above the VWAP. If we close below the VWAP, I wouldn't mind getting in some puts. But yesterday, when we rejected off the 200, we went down. We went down, and it was ugly. See what the volume looks like. All right, we're getting some volume here. We don't have that much room between the bottom here. I mean, we have 50 cents, but it's jerky. It's just up, down, up, down, up, down. Our entry is either going to be a close above this or literally a close below this. Whichever direction it wants to go in, it has to close above, outside of the opposite lines. Yeah, we have a lot of buyers down here in this area, which is what's giving me some sort of confidence. Look at all these wicks. Look at all these wicks that we have over here in this area. Like I said, close below or close above. All right, look like we're bouncing off the VWAP. We have about 18 seconds left on this candle. Still looking bullish here. All right, we're looking strong. A lot of orders coming through. It's not flushing as easy as it did yesterday off the 200. We have a lot of orders that's keeping it up, but it keeps rejecting. So unless we get some rising volume to close above it, I don't know where we're going to go. All right. Let's see. Got a lot of orders here. Let's see if we get a close below. It's a lot of orders here, though. A lot of orders. Alright, keys look like they want to give out. SPY's holding. SPY looks so strong right now. There's the SPY lifting it up. Q's pulling it back down. Alright, a lot of sell orders just came through on the SPY. Alright, getting a lot of sell orders right now on the SPY. Coming down the tape. A lot of sell orders. Flooding with sell orders. It's just flooding with sell orders. Sell orders look, man, they are loading the tape up with these sell orders right now. I think that's the reason why it's having a hard time getting above the 200 because of all these sellers. I think they're trying to defend 447. I think that might be what it is. The shorts are trying to defend 447 and they're trying not to let SPY go above it because if it does, they know it can run all the way back up to supply, which is, let me see. Yeah, supply is at 450. So that's like $3 that this thing can run all the way back up there with nothing standing in its way. So I can see why they're scared and why they keep selling right here at 447. All right, Q's is below the VWAP, but they haven't closed. All right, we have 30 seconds left on this candle. SPY sitting at the 50 right now. Q's starting to make it look weak though. All right, 15 seconds on this candle. SPY is still staying above the VWAP, which is good. I really think the SPY is just holding the market up right now. I really do. Boom. Next candle. Here we go. We're still above. Let's see. All right. We're going to go back up to 447 again. Now getting rejected again. The sell side, man. Godly. Thousands trying to get sold. Thousands. All right, we got some big buy orders coming in now. Got some big buy orders coming in. Trying to soak up a lot of those sell orders. All right, Peloton is moving up here. Wow. Let's see. It looks like we broke out of this range. Look, we had a nice bull flag right there. Yeah, Peloton looks good. Alright, there goes the indices now. Alright, let's see what we got. That's our Q is 1030. Alright, we're in some SPY puts here. Let's see if it retests the VWAP and goes lower. We'll take it down to 445.90. Alright, let's see if we can go down about 40 cents. We need 40 cents. If we can get 40 cents in this, we'll be good. Alright, we have 25 seconds left on the close of this candle. Alright, beautiful. They let us in all three. Wow, can't believe it. Alright, let's see if we can get down to 445.90. 4 seconds left on this candle. Alright, we're going to trim there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This thing ain't going to wait for us forever. We're going to trim there. Oh, my God. All right, let's just stay patient. Come on, come on. We got to get out. We got to get out. This thing can go against us. Our sell orders are just not being met right now. Yeah, this is insane, man. This thing is just terrible. Boom. Out. Get me out of this thing. Get me out. See, we're up right now. We're up. We're up a lot now. We're trying to get out. Yo, this Thinkorswim, man, you guys are fired. Let's cancel both of these orders. We're in. We're gonna have to mark it out of here. This thing can go against us. Wait, the market's not letting us. No, there's no way. Is this thing not? There we go. We're out. Damn, we lost a little bit on that. We were up tremendously on that. We had 3 positions. We were up tremendously. It started to go against us because Active Trader wouldn't let us out, so we had to mark it out. We lost a big chunk of that, like a third. We lost like 30% of that, but we're finishing the day green, and we're able to recoup everything that we lost on the first buy trade. What gave me confirmation on the entry of this is when we broke below the VWAP. I was keeping my eyes on the Qs. The Qs was pulling down fast, so that's when I added again, because I said, okay, you're gonna lead us back down. And then, I mean, look here, you can see SPY is bouncing, Q is flushing. And once we got like just at the bottom of this candle, I added a third position, and I wanted to get out down here at 445.90. But once we made it to the pivot, I looked to see how much we were up, and I said, all right, we need to get out now. So I just started unloading those orders, but they weren't getting filled. So I finally had to go ahead and mark it. But of course, it's pulling back on us a little bit. And even though it came down and then it got us out, I think the fact that it pulled back is where we ended up getting screwed at. So we lost 30% on that position. Man, I'm disappointed. I'm happy that we're ending the day green. But, yeah, Thinkorswim is just slow. That was a beautiful entry. We loaded up 3 times on that position, and we ended up getting out. That was incredible. And that's why we scalp. So anyways, finishing the day green, we are 4 of 6. 4 of 6. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Stay safe. Trade what you see and not what you think. Always protect your capital. All right, folks. We'll see you tomorrow morning on another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I am your host,